Another gorgeous afternoon out there across central Illinois as we look at the satellite and radar loop. Not seeing any activity out there. High pressure remains in control of our forecast. That's keeping the skies clear. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures warmer than they should be for this time of year thanks to a southerly wind. And that trend's going to continue right as we get into the weekend. Locally, still quiet out there across satellite radar. And we're going to stay dry for the next few days. So all weekend long, we're not seeing any issues with precipitation. Taking a look at the temperature trend over the last 12 hours, you can see we went down into the 50s early this morning, and we made it back up into the 70s this afternoon out at the Coles County Airport, and that's where we're expected to be the next few days, if not a few degrees warmer. So more pleasant conditions are expected. Our average high for this time of year is 60 degrees, so we're well above that as we get into the first weekend of November. Since the sun has set, we're starting to see our temperatures slide back down into the 60s and 50s across central Illinois. 65 right now in Charleston, 63 down in Effingham. Paris is already down to 55. It's 59 up in Champaign, and it's currently 62 over in Terre Haute. The wind remains out of the south, and that's what's been bringing in that warmer air this week, and it's going to remain that way as we go into the weekend. Just a light breeze at the moment, 6 miles an hour in Charleston, 8 up in Champaign, and we have wind out of the south in Taylorville at 7 miles an hour. Now, it will be a great weekend to do any outdoor activities, but one thing you may want to consider is putting up some of those Christmas lights while the weather is nice, because instead of having those temperatures down in the 40s or around freezing before Christmas, we'll have those temperatures in the 70s this weekend. So you don't have to plug the lights in at night, but it will be a good time to get out there and get those on the house. Temperature is going to be in the 70s for tomorrow, and then up into the middle 70s as we get into Sunday. So we're going to have really nice conditions with sunshine all throughout both days. So as we pick up Futurecast, we're not going to notice any activity on it as we go into the weekend. Here we are starting tomorrow morning. No activity on Futurecast. Plenty of sunshine. That'll take us right through the afternoon hours on Saturday, and that's going to continue into Saturday night. We're going to start to notice an increase in cloud cover Sunday morning, so we're still going to see mostly sunny skies, but there will be a few more clouds, especially across our western communities. That's where we're expecting a majority of that cloud cover. But all of us are still going to see some sunshine as we finish out the weekend. And like we saw earlier, it's not going to affect our temperatures. We'll actually see them climb a couple more degrees as we get into Sunday. Before tomorrow, our hometown highlight is Cumberland County, where we're expecting that ample sunshine and unseasonably warm conditions, that south wind gusting up to 15 miles an hour. That's 73 degrees from Neoga down to Toledo and Greenup and Walla Walla. So a great day to get out and enjoy that warmer weather. Again, not too often that we see those 70-degree temperatures for the first weekend in November. Now, as we get into next week, that's when some changes are going to be coming back to the forecast. Monday's still going to be an okay day, though, going to be very similar to the weekend. Plenty of sunshine for the day on Monday. Temperatures once again topping out in the middle 70s. But as we get into Tuesday, that's when the cold front's going to start changing and bring us back to reality. We'll see some rain showers accompanying that front too, maybe some isolated thunderstorms. Most of that activity coming through Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening before it clears out going into Veterans Day. For tonight, we're going to see an overnight low down to 46 degrees with the clear skies. South wind at 3 to 5 miles an hour. For tomorrow, again, a gorgeous day, so I sound like a broken record, but get out and enjoy it. We're going to see those highs in the lower 70s, 52 at 8 a.m., 68 by lunchtime, holding on to the south wind, gusting up to 15 miles an hour. And as we look at the next 7 days, expect those pleasant conditions to last us into Tuesday. Then the cold front will bring us some changes. Starting out today with some sunshine, though, for the rain comes in the afternoon. Then for Veterans Day, we're looking dry but cooler with highs back in the 50s. And we see the 50s remaining through the rest of next week with that sunshine and overnight lows starting to get back down into the 30s once we get into next week.